Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain 2 common ways people usually destroy their engines when replacing ignition coils, and we will explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you want to know where ignition coil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today because they don't go in order and you can get confused. That way you're going to waste your money on ignition coil that you didn't need to replace, labor that you didn't need to apply guys, and we're going to talk common mistakes people make when replacing ignition coils that can actually destroy your engine. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So this specifically is a Dodge Challenger 2018 3.6 V6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure is about the same. So we will have everything set like that. Let's just leave it that way for a second. Before we start, okay, let me tell you one thing guys. Many of you have been asking in the comment section below to share information about good, reliable scanners on the market, and this is one of the best scanners that we use here. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it can pay itself off in one-time use, so check it out. Now let me tell you guys, we will not remove anything at first. You just have your upper engine cover. I'm talking about that engine cover right here usually, and once you remove it, you will notice that these 3 ignition coils are easily accessible, and people often will confuse them with, they'll think this is ignition coil 1, 2 and 3. This is completely wrong. This is a 6-cylinder engine. Even though this is cylinder head number 1, known as bank 1, and this is bank 2 cylinder head, okay, they do not go in order like 1, 2 and 3. For instance, Porsche does that. Porsche Cayenne will be ignition coil cylinder number 1, 2, 3, and the other one will be 4, 5 and 6, but Dodge does not do that. We will remove the upper intake manifold. If you want to see guys how to replace ignition coil, we have complete video on the channel that will teach you how to do that. But now, common mistakes people make when replacing ignition coils. They can easily drop something in the intake manifold, and that can destroy your engine if not removed. Another thing, they keep driving with bad ignition coil because they didn't know which one is the right one, and that can destroy your engine too. We have a video that the title of the video is Can I Drive with Bad Ignition Coil Dodge Challenger? It will explain why you can actually destroy your engine and how long it will take for that to happen. So if you need to know guys, ignition coil on cylinder number 1 is here. Then you go to ignition coil on cylinder number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that's how it is guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that guys. If you want to see anything else specifically, just let us know. We'll be more than glad to make a video. We'll be taking that Dodge Challenger completely apart like we do with every other car we get, every car we get here at the garage, and we teach you how to fix almost anything. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.